What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing
good.
Ladies and gents, boys and girls, the video that we are going to do today is called
Tanmay Bhatt Vlog 69.
Nice. Alright, so हम लोग ने पहले बोला हुआ था कि we usually won't be reacting on vlogs or on a reaction, लेकिन हम लोग ने तन्मय भट्ट का पहले भी किया हुआ है.
The dog vlog, it was so cute.
Yeah, we did that and I think we were happy doing that.
And I'm hoping in this vlog also we get to see some glimpse
Chat.
of the not so puppy.
ये इसके लिए I don't know why, but so many comments have come for this specific video. I might have an idea कि why that is, because in the thumbnail it shows that Tanmay Bhatt is getting married with
Which looks like a mannequin.
that is actually a sex doll.
Oh my god. Oh, that explains the title.
Vlog 69. So guys, as usual description में link दी हुई है. You should go and check out the original video first on Tanmay's channel. And let's start. Let's start.
Vlog 69 is coming and everyone in the comments has been like Vlog 69 में क्या कर रहे हो तन्मय?
And we also asked Tanmay a couple of times, what do you want to do on vlog 69? He's like, no, I don't want to do anything.
We thought we'll just steal the chance of making a vlog from Tanmay.
And
That TV unit is the same as at my parents' place. Same.
Oh, हाँ, right.
the prank that we have done with something very exciting. Guess what it is?
You can't, but try. No!
Is it actual doll?
Yes, it's an actual.
Oh my
It's
god.
a blow up doll.
Can we not keep on?
She just loved doll.
Sex toy. It's a love doll. Do not use in cribs, beds, carriages, or playpens. Chat! No!
This is not.
This is not for you.
Into it.
Okay?
Oh.
What did you say? I don't.
For you. Okay?
You were this goddamn chat
Just
savage.
who's very enthusiastic about his own birthday here working.
Why are you hellbent on ruining my birthday?
What is ruining your birthday?
It's got cake, it's got alcohol. Since evening, you're the only one who gives a fuck about my birthday. You know I hate
party poppers.
There are party poppers. Oh my god, this is the worst birthday ever.
I mean, it's good to have friends who are excited for your birthday.
I was BGMI for the first time. Saying it's Naveed was like, please stream mat karo. The only thing that will make it worse is if you stab me on my birthday.
You can stream it any day except your birthday.
तुम्हारा birthday क्या हो गया? कोई मनाया नहीं क्या हो गया?
Oh my god.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Comes in for the
Happy
cake.
birthday, dear Tanmay. Happy birthday to you. I think I still have a photo of Tanmay and birthday cake where he's grumpy. It's the same, it has not changed over the years whenever there is a birthday cake in front of
What
him.
does this tell you? Stop getting me cake on my birthday. I'm going to be 95 on my deathbed and Naveed's like, happy birthday. बंद करो इसको, बंद करो.
What are you going to do, Naveed?
It looks like I've done some murder, but let's see.
Oh my god.
It was in your room all this while, Naveed. Are we sure? Shit.
Meanwhile,
Oh my god, they're legit building a mandap inside the house.
Mandap.
Mandap. Sorry.
मंडप बना रहे हुआ है मंडप.
You get it.
When we planned this prank, we didn't know that it would go to this extent. What the fuck is this? Raghav, फूल लगा रहा है यार ये लोग.
ये
शादी का कार्ड है क्या?
Yo,
Dhamati.
तो सबको बांटना चाहिए अभी बिल्डिंग में.
हाँ तो ज़्यादा कराओ नीचे बांट के आता हूँ धीरे से ये लिखा नो गिफ्ट ओनली लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.
Perfect.
Did you ever think that you will get an invitation from Tanmay?
For a wedding,
For a
no.
wedding, no.
For a wedding reaction
Yo,
video,
they've invited everybody.
And the mandap looks damn pretty, huh? I can't believe you guys actually went.
The prank is actually on you, Ash. It's you and Akash getting married.
Oh man, then it's not a prank.
She's living for it.
I've been more.
Yeah.
I would suggest that you don't zip it up because she's definitely not 32C.
कॉल करने के लिए इतना क्या तैयार हो रहा है?
Sorry, but guys, I'm wearing a saree after really long. आज हम चाय रील बनाएंगे. चाहिए तो शादी कर लेंगे. Monday.
क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है हमारे को अभी? मन में उठ नहीं रहा है. What are our plans? I'll wake him up saying mummy is trying to reach out to you, and in that exact moment Aishwarya calls him. So he'll pick up.
I'll give you.
तन्मय, मॉर्निंग. मम्मी पूछ रही है कि कब आओ.
Hello. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
What planning is going on?
Happy birthday, Tanmay. Acha, listen. What are your plans today? So I was thinking of coming over. So a friend of mine is coming to meet Akash only. She's coming, and I was just thinking that maybe you can meet her. She doesn't know or anything, but she's like funny, pretty, cute, all of those things. So you don't have to like talk to
Or
her.
like setting up with Dolwati.
A little bit. Awesome. Yay. Okay.
2 hours later.
Yes, Raghav.
Day 10 of trying to prank Tanmay. It's still worth it.
We all have been waiting here for the last. We've been waiting here for the last 2 hours. I think जो मेहमान आया वो लोग अभी चला जाएंगे.
Oh, he's here.
Hi.
Utter shock on his face.
Happy birthday.
He has no clue.
He has no words.
Is this your friend?
Hi, Tanmay. Meet your bride, Dolwati.
Bride.
We are inviting you for your wedding.
Oh my god. Hi Dolwati, nice to meet you. She's very shy. Wow, so we're just getting married. You think everyone falls in love like you do or what? Like meet and then 3 days later shaadi karni. Didi, you're dressed up. What the fuck?
Hey, play the song. What is happening?
Oh my god. Like,
With the cinematic. God damn.
थोड़ा सा नीचे
थोड़ा सा नीचे कर दो.
हाँ मतलब बाद में सर घूंघट उठाओगे तो तभी
Serious. Everybody is damn serious.
There's something in because we have a lot planned.
What?
So if you could just play along.
Yeah, I think you should.
This is all for your vlog.
It's for your
This is for my vlog. Oh my god, this is the best birthday vlog. Oh my god. You guys can shoot the Swagrat also.
And I've called your mom.
Oh my god. Mom wants to message me saying, what are you doing today? I see you've chosen to laugh.
Oh, she doesn't know.
She doesn't know.
She'll also be surprised.
wow.
Mom's old, yeah. She doesn't have heart problems and stuff yet.
You can wait for 5 more minutes.
Yeah.
Even is that Fufaji who's always shows up late.
Oh, Rohan also coming.
What fun. Yeah.
सॉरी शादी बताइए शादी अब तो दोस्त नहीं अब सब्जी है
बहुत दिन ऐसा कोई शूट नहीं है जिसमें ऐसा प्री प्रोड वगैरह
Yeah, I had to call my art director. I tell him I need a mandap overnight.
जो आर्ट डायरेक्टर उसको बोले बस इसी दिन कर
No, art director would probably like, oh my god, this is like AIB all over the place. Can you stop touching my wife?
Okay, cool. Okay, no.
It's inappropriately, don't touch my wife, okay, please.
You see the boobs.
Yes, I did.
दिस इज द वर्स्ट कन्यादान How was the wedding? Oh, it was great. While the relatives were bringing it, they said, "Oops, देखा क्या नहीं? Oops, देखा क्या नहीं? Oops."
I have the ring with me.
अरे ring छोड़, oops देखा.
Priorities.
Oh my god.
Welcome, Board Army. We gathered here to join Tanmay Bhatt and
Oh.
Parvati in Holi.
He's a minister.
Tanmay, repeat after me. I promise to cherish you always,
I promise to cherish you always,
to aerate and inflate you.
to aerate and inflate you.
I promise to only use regular air and never helium.
I promise to only use regular air and never helium.
I vow to be true to you and to only come but never leave.
I vow to be true to you and to only come and never leave.
I shall never play with your feelings, never treat you like a toy.
Ayo.
I shall never play with your feelings, never treat you like a toy.
Whenever you are feeling low, I shall pump you up until death do us apart.
Whenever you're feeling low, I shall pump you up until death do us apart.
Oh my god.
I promise I'll pretend the sex is really good. That's all. With this ring, I, Tanmay Bhatt, take you, Dolvati, to be my wife.
With this ring, I, Tanmay, take you, Dolvati, to be my wife.
By the power vested in me by the Bot Army, I now pronounce you man and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Not in front of everyone.
Yes, the right.
Oh my god.
Kiss on cheek.
What?
It's a bracelet and not a ring now.
We have a small surprise for you.
I've been to actual weddings where friends have made less effort.
Can we go for the
तो यार ये भी आकाश is all like hello.
I am mean. And now it's all like being in a hurry.
से ऑनलाइन ही देखी व्हाट्सएप नहा ही रही होगी और क्या
So you have seen an actual wedding now?
Yeah.
Do you still think it's worth it?
I'm gonna stop. You talk.
This is Aishwarya after waiting for me for 1 hour. Oh my God, you're taking so long. But also Aishwarya. I want to get married ASAP.
It's so nice. Photos are on that. We
Of
started
course you
with
did.
the
Of
photos,
course.
and I feel like we'll make a good.
You
I
vibed.
can do one more classic uncle. मैं अरे अभी मंडप लगाई है तो
Legend है, every wedding has that.
Wedding will be first divorce to happen inside a wedding.
First real divorce.
Like Aishwarya in the middle of the wedding is like, this is some bullshit.
I can't believe you guys know things.
Didi has gotten the most dress though. Didi हम में से सबसे पहले शादी किसका आएगा?
Actually, आपका होना चाहिए. हम देखना चाहते हैं सर आपका शादी.
हो गया दीदी यही वाला होने वाला है.
डॉल दिखती डॉल को सजा के बुलाया पहले दीदी बोला माल है
दीदी मैं असली में शादी करेगा आप सबसे पहले मेरी बीवी को आके माल है बोलेगा.
खाना बहुत अच्छा था शादी में भाई साहब लिमिटेड मेन्यू था बढ़िया था ये नहीं कि पनीर डाल रखा है
Yeah, sorry, मैं नहीं खाना है. सब छोले बोले मतलब इतने शादी.
Really cheap no to order this.
Yeah, really. Like, I mean, you think that it would be proper? Like, there's no plates also. Like, what the fuck? Like, I want those little like plastic glasses where the guy opens it and gives it to you.
Yeah.
Straw. Like, it's a wedding.
कॉफी काउंटर भी नहीं है
हाँ. वो पोस्ट मिल पान किधर है?
पोस्ट मिल पान नहीं है
नीचे नीचे स्टेशन के पास खराब शादी है
क्या नवीद इतना टाइगर श्रॉफ का एड चलाने के बाद भी तुम लो बजट रखते हो. I just realized that her mouth is a.
Yep, it is exactly what you think it is. Her mouth is a flashlight.
Should we sit downstairs?
No.
Oh my god.
कभी कभी आपकी शादी की उम्र निकलती चली जाती है और पीयर प्रेशर में आकर आपको कुछ चीजें करनी पड़ती हैं. So here we go. मुझसे शादी ऐसी कर ली है तूने जाने मन जाने जा क्यों लगती नकली है, मुझको तू ये समझा, ओ मेरी रातों में अब तेरा नाम है। आ लिख दे दास्ता जाने मन जाने जा, जाने मन जाने जा।
He's controlling.
Oh my
Oh my
god, ये
god. Oh my god. This is like.
बॉस ये क्या व्लॉग
This
था?
is next level. Like
my God.
just the amount of mehnat that everyone has taken.
I know boss. It is very good कि उसके फ्रेंड्स ने इतनी सब मेहनत ली है.
Yeah.
Like you know, it's just I know it is a prank, but like prank पे भी इतनी मेहनत लेना, it's like making into a funny prank.
Yeah.
I think that was so good.
और सब लोग तैयार व्यार होके आए.
Exactly, boss. That was so good, yeah. And absolutely loved it. All right, yeah, I'm so happy that we reacted on this.
I think I can imagine you doing some pranks like this. Like this is like so your style.
I have done not this, but हम लोग ने ऐसे ही कुछ किया था. Like एक दोस्त के शादी में उसकी रूम बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से सजाई थी. Maybe some other time I can tell that in a story time video. Maybe I can say that, but now is not the time. Anyways, guys, I am actually like thankful कि आप लोगों ने इसके लिए कमेंट किया. We absolutely loved it and yeah, we just had fun reacting to this.
Yeah.
I think हम लोगों ने 2 ही vlog पे तन्मय भट्ट के react किया है.
Yeah.
It's one was the dog vlog.
Oh my god, the dog has grown so much. He was like such a tiny thing in the last we did like many months back.
Alright, ladies and gents.
Thank you very much for making us a part of your day. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to drop a like and we'll see you guys in the next one.